Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to share 10 powerful daily habits that completely changed my life and helped me improve my English fluency. Learning English is not only about grammar and vocabulary, it is also about discipline, daily practice, and the right habits. When I started learning English, I felt shy, confused, and sometimes frustrated. But after building these habits, everything started to change. If you want to speak English confidently, grow personally, and become more productive, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video until the end because the last habit is one of the most powerful ones. Let's get started. Habit 1. Start your day with English. One of the best habits you can build is starting your morning with English. Instead of checking social media immediately after waking up, spend 10 to 15 minutes learning English. You can read a short article, watch an English video, learn 5 new words. This small habit trains your brain to think in English early in the day. Over time, this simple routine will make English a natural part of your life. Part 2. Learn 5 new words every day. Vocabulary is the foundation of any language. If you learn just 5 new words every day, you will learn 5 words into 365 days equal 1825 words in 1 year. Imagine how powerful that is. Speak them out loud. Use them in daily conversations. This habit will expand your vocabulary very quickly. Habit 3. Speak English every day. Many people learn English for years but still cannot speak. Why? Because they don't practice speaking. Speaking is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. You can talk to yourself in English, practice with friends, record your voice. Even 5 minutes of speaking practice daily can improve your fluency. Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Habit 4. Watch English content daily. Another powerful habit is watching English content every day. You can watch YouTube videos, movies, interviews, educational channels. This helps you improve listening skills. Pronunciation, natural expressions. Try to watch at least 15 to 20 minutes of English content daily. Your brain will slowly start understanding English naturally. Habit 5. Read something in English. Reading is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. You can read books, news articles, blogs, short stories. Reading helps you learn grammar, sentence structure, new vocabulary. Start with simple content. Even 10 minutes of reading daily can make a big difference. Habit 6. Write a short journal. Writing is another powerful habit. Every night, write a short journal in English about your day. For example, what did you do today? What did you learn? What are your goals for tomorrow? You don't need perfect grammar. The goal is to express your thoughts in English. This habit improves both writing and thinking skills. Habit 7. Think in English. One of the biggest secrets to fluency is thinking in English. Many learners translate everything from their native language. This slows down communication. Instead, try to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, I am hungry in your language and translating it, just think directly, I am hungry. This habit will make your speaking faster and more natural. Habit 8. Use English learning apps. Technology can help you learn faster. There are many amazing English learning apps such as Duolingo, BBC Learning English, HelloTalk. These apps make learning fun and interactive. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily using an English learning app. Consistency is more important than studying for long hours. Habit 9. Stay consistent. Consistency is the real secret to success. Many people start learning English with motivation but quit after a few weeks. Remember, simple progress every day is better than big progress once a month. Even if you study 15 to 20 minutes daily, you will see huge improvement over time. Success comes from daily effort and patience. Habit 10. Believe in yourself. The final and most important habit is believing in yourself. Many people think, my English is bad. I cannot speak fluently. It's too late for me. But this is not true. Anyone can learn English with practice, patience, the right mindset. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about communicating confidently. So believe in yourself and keep learning every day. To summarize, these are the 10 habits that can improve your English and change your life. Start your day with English. Learn 5 new words daily. Speak English every day. Watch English content. Read regularly. Write a journal. Think in English. Use learning apps. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. If you follow these habits consistently, your English will improve faster than you imagine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite habit, subscribe for more English learning videos.